are warning people of a rare meningitis infection tonight, and the outbreak has ties to right here in the valley, specifically last month's white party.
KMIR-6's Matt Vanderveer is live in studio and has the very latest. Matt.
Public health officials and the city of West Hollywood are warning gay men and other people to be aware of meningitis. This after a 31-year-old gay man who was diagnosed just last week went brain dead and died just a short time ago. A 31-year-old gay man is dead after contracting a rare strain of meningitis. Physicians and politicians are pointing to the white party in Palm Springs last Easter as a possible source of the man's infection. The annual party draws 8,000 to 10,000 gay men from around the world to the desert every year. And experts say close contact, like kissing and sex, spreads the meningitis infection. Officials don't know yet if this meningitis strain is related to the strain in New York City, where they're reporting 22 cases and 7 deaths.
We can't yet connect the two, but possibly have one here, and that this resident was in fact in attendance at the white party. It raises the issue. So we want to get the word out to any gay men that were at the white party that if they have any of these symptoms, go see their physician immediately.
Stiff neck would be fevers, would be a rash, which can happen some of the times, would be a headache, and would be not feeling well after contact with someone who had meningitis. Currently, our procedure is that we give antibiotics.
I reached out to the founder of the White Party, Jeffrey Sanker, who sent me this statement. From what we all know to date, the origin of the outbreak is inconclusive. Nonetheless, like many large gatherings, gay or straight, people are often in close, intimate contact with each other. However, we have always been very proactive in distributing literature for the health and safety of our patrons, including condom distribution. I reached out to hospitals in the desert. They say they haven't seen an uptick in meningitis infections as of yet. The infection is transferred through saliva and prolonged close contact. And guys, most cases of meningitis, they show symptoms within 4 days.
What should somebody do if they believe they've had contact with somebody who has the bacteria?
Well, if you know that you've been in contact with someone with that bacteria, you recommend to do a preventative antibiotic. They're available, but the best way to prevent that is going to be to get vaccinated.
All right, Matt, thanks for the information.
Well, Coachella 2013.